I bet you didn't know that your brain gets sludgy if you don't sleep. We have a system called the lymphatic system. It's able to take extracellular fluid that you don't need and recycle it back into the blood so it can be excreted out through the kidneys and your urine. You also have this system and it's in your brain, and it's called the lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is necessary for detoxing all the proteins and lipids that you created throughout the day. Proteopathies such as alpha-synuclein or tau tangles, those things that you see in Parkinson's disease or Lewy body dementias, those are what need to be excreted by the lymphatic system. So if you're not sleeping, you build up all those misfolded proteopathies, misfolded proteins. What this means is that all these tau tangles and alpha-synuclein, all this junk that builds up in your brain can build up over and over and over in time. So your brain naturally creates these misfolded proteins. It's part of life and it's part of being awake. But the problem comes when you cannot detox that, when you can't excrete it from the brain. The problem with neurodementias is with the inability to detox. Now let's talk about ways to enhance the lymphatic system. The first thing to know about the lymphatic system is that when you have high noradrenaline, so adrenaline, stress, all that kind of stuff, noradrenaline shuts off these pumps, these aquaporin pumps. You need aquaporins. These are essentially water membrane transports that excrete from the cell. And when you have high norepinephrine, noradrenaline, essentially stress, it causes these pumps to work a lot less. And so your lymphatic system doesn't work. Sleeping on your side has shown to improve the flow of the lymphatic squeeze. So when you are detoxing at night and your lymphatic's working, your brain shrinks and it pushes out all that gunk. And sleeping on your side enhances that squeeze. Now, I do have to say this one thing, is if you have poor sleep, you are not detoxing your brain. So getting your circadian rhythm in order so you can detox your brain is paramount to having a healthy lymphatic system. You want to strive for at least 7 hours every night. If you struggle with sleep or struggling detoxing your brain and your lymphatic system, I have a whole course called Junction Dysfunction that shows you step by step how to enhance all these processes, going through genetics, lifestyle changes, modifications, supplements, drugs, modalities, and other pathologies that enhance these pathways. Find the link for the guide in my bio. It's called Junction Dysfunction.